or make a better.
Something that we've, ingrained in our staff is the concept that they're not just in the hospitality business, they're in the experience business. And you get a personalized, service-oriented, you're not a number, you're not in a resort, you're not sharing space with strangers, it's you and your people, and that's it.
In love.
It's almost like a group of mariachis that just know how to play together. I couldn't be happier with how core the staff is to this experience. And the experience of being in Villa Punto de Vista is frankly incomplete without the staff.
For summer is for falling.